Good afternoon everyone. Andito tayo ngayon sa bagong listing ko dito sa Skokie, sa may Octon Street at saka Crawford. So ito ay mayroong 18 parking spot at saka busy street talaga yung harap. So it's good for business. Like dati ito ay naging restaurant at saka computer school. So malapit lang siya sa mga businesses. Somewhere here may eskwelahan. This is middle school. Sa Crawford doon, just a mile away from Skokie downtown. So if you have a question, please let me know. This is a business listing. Pwedeng gawing restaurant, pwedeng gawing eskwelahan, pwedeng gawing office. 2,000, almost 2,600 square footage ang area niyan sa loob. Saka malaki yung lot area, over 13,000 square feet. Right, let me know if you have question.